Welcome back to our channel, Adventurers. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore. We're going to compare the challenges faced by astronauts in the International Space Station with the difficulties of surviving in the extreme environment of Antarctica. Strap in, because this is going to be an icy adventure. Surviving in the International Space Station or Antarctica requires immense resilience and preparation. Let's start with the International Space Station, a marvel of human engineering orbiting 400 kilometers above Earth's surface. On the ISS, astronauts experience microgravity, which means they have to adapt to living and working in a weightless environment. But did you know that the challenges faced in Antarctica can be even more demanding? Let's dive into why. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on Earth. The temperature can drop as low as -80 degrees Celsius, making it inhospitable for human life. In contrast, the temperature on the ISS is carefully regulated and maintained at a comfortable level for the astronauts. One of the biggest challenges in Antarctica is the extreme isolation. Astronauts on the ISS are in constant communication with mission control and can even video call their loved ones. But in Antarctica, communication can be limited due to the harsh conditions and vast distances. Another major challenge is the availability of resources. On the ISS, astronauts have a constant supply of food, water, and oxygen. They can even recycle and reuse their resources. In Antarctica, however, supplies have to be carefully planned and transported over long distances, making it a logistical nightmare. The living conditions are vastly different as well. In the space station, astronauts have a controlled environment with filtered air and temperature control. In Antarctica, researchers live in small, isolated stations, battling freezing temperatures, blizzards, and even the occasional threat of polar bears. Now, let's talk about research. Both the ISS and Antarctica are significant hubs for scientific exploration. On the ISS, astronauts conduct experiments in microgravity, observe Earth from a unique perspective, and even study the effects of long-duration space travel on the human body. Meanwhile, in Antarctica, scientists study climate change, meteorology, biology, and geology, all while enduring the harsh conditions of the icy continent. In conclusion, surviving in Antarctica is undoubtedly more challenging than living aboard the International Space Station. The extreme cold, isolation, limited resources, and harsh conditions make Antarctica an unforgiving environment. But whether it's exploring the vastness of space or unraveling the mysteries of the icy continent, both endeavors require remarkable human resilience, determination, and scientific curiosity. That's all for today's comparison. We hope you enjoyed this eye-opening adventure. Remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below on what topic you'd like us to cover next. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.